So we played basketball.
That's sweet. Hold on in the booth, always tell you the truth. Girl, I got attachments to you. I'm infatuated with you. Ooh, girl, I'm just trying to keep it cool. I can't stop thinking about you. Get you to the room. Let's do the things you like to do. Girl, you don't want nothing too. Ooh, girl, I just wanna be with you.
Hey y'all, it's me, Tiny Cornet, and I'm back with another freaking video. So if you're not subscribed, please be sure to subscribe. Make sure you hit the bell notification on the side to be notified every time I post on YouTube. So y'all, it is currently 1:40 p.m. and I just left an interview, so that's why I'm all dressed up, period. But I am currently on my way to check my goddaughter out of school. And then we probably gonna stop and get something to eat because I know when she's getting in the car, she gonna want to eat. I'm about to go pick her up from school, and I'm gonna be watching her till like 5:30, I think. And then me and my boyfriend are having a date night, so for that I'm excited. I hope y'all can hear me with this air, because this air is blowing because it's hot. It's 98 degrees outside. Okay, y'all. Don't mind my hair because it's just flying all over the place. Had the heater on, air on blast. So I'm at my goddaughter's school, about to check her out. Hopefully she's not outside for recess because I just seen a bunch of kids outside. And I'm gonna be so upset if I check her out and she outside. What we about to see.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
You okay? I can't let you got my. Oh, okay.
You have Miss Baker's class? Yes. But call you again. She's checking out. Thank you.
Hey, girl. Come on, let's go. Huh?
You won't believe it.
I won't believe what.
I got it.
Good job. High five. Hey to the vlog. Say hey, vlog. So I just picked her up from school, so now we're going to go to McDonald's.
Like magic, I got Pokemon. I got actually a lot of Pokemon. It's kind of cool because I got the one that goes in the ocean.
Hey y'all, so it's like, Alexa, what time is it?
It's 7:20 p.m.
So it's 7:20 p.m. y'all, and me and my boyfriend are going on a date. We just going bowling because we haven't did nothing in a while. And yeah, so I just finished my makeup and getting dressed. If you want to see that, I'm going to post it on my TikTok, so you can always go and watch that. Period. Got one of the shirts on with some jean shorts, my red Vans, and yeah. And then, oh, can't forget, my scent today is, can y'all see that? Yeah, perfect by Marc Jacobs. Y'all, it smells so good. Hey y'all, so we bowling. I'm gonna go first this time. Okay. Oh shit. So yeah, we're bowling. We just got here. It's not that packed like I thought it would be. I kept my thing on because I don't want to sweat my hair out. But yeah. So, okay. So,
And she about to lose.
A bullshit? A bullshit? A bullshit.
Let me see something, babe. Babe, look. You gonna show me something? Uh-oh. What the hell? What the hell?
first strike.
Yo.
Y'all made my first strike of the game. First. Go ahead, babe. You gonna try to get a strike here?
Hey, shit.
type shit.
This about to, oh my, about to be
This about
going back
to
to
be a good
back.
one. This about to be a good one.
Y'all know we usually on lane 4, and that's horrible. Lane 4 is horrible. So yeah. Okay, let me go. Let's see if he gonna hit this. I don't think so. Oh, he might. Oh, he did.
Ballin', like, I'm just all around good at everything. No, man, be cool. Why you always doing
Cause
that?
it's the last one. You won. You won. That was the first game. Stop it.
Man.
Look who's winning so far.
Alright, that's good.
Yo, I'm fanning myself because it's hot. But we on game 3. He won the first 2 games. I'ma say that. Come on. Huh? He won the first 2 games, but I'm in the lead right now. Yeah. Only one?
Funny.
Hold on, y'all. It's my goal. Definitely won this game, y'all. Definitely won. I won.
Yeah, you won.
This is our favorite game. Every time we come here.
One more
Bye.
time. I gotta hit that bitch. Look. You know your boy. And then he put it on me. I'm finna do my thing, right? Shout out to my girl. She a real one. Oh man. Hey.
I'm gonna go.
I'll hold you some time.
Okay. Ready? Set.
Now you gotta do it.
Oh. What it landed? Oh! Yeah. Okay. You ready? You wanna go again?
Yeah, you know that. Big brother.
20?
I be doing that to
20?
me. It be holding me out.
Okay, y'all. Let's see. All right.
Oh yeah.
Ready?
Oh damn.
Why is it? Why do it's doing it by itself? Babe, I'm not doing it.
Man, you done already lost. Alright, let me see. Let me go concentrate. Dirty balls, man. do that one more time though. I think I dropped like 2 balls, 3 balls. I'm about to hit that jackpot, babe. 4. How much is the fucking jackpot? I know you, man. I ain't gotta do it one more time.
So we played basketball.
Nah, bro, let's switch then. Let's switch then. Mine only got 3 balls. Let's switch. Come on.
That don't mean nothing.
How?
91.
You got like 4.
Good morning, y'all. It is the next morning. Excuse me how I'm sorry. I'm just getting up, but I just came to close the video out. So yeah, basically after we did the whole little arcade games and everything, we just came back home. So yeah, if you like this video, please be sure to give it a like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell notification on the side. Why do I look so greasy? Anyway, hit the bell notification on the side to be notified every time I post up on my YouTube channel. For this video, y'all, like I said, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you hit the bell notification to be notified every time I post on my YouTube channel. And until tomorrow, the day after that, I don't know when I'm going to upload none of these videos, but I'm out, y'all. Peace.
Can I be your love? Can I be?